In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get Stripe API keys. Start by logging in to dashboard.stripe.com on your preferred browser. And once you're on your main dashboard, go to the left-hand menu and click on Developers. This is where all your integration tools and API settings are located. Under the Developer section, click on API Keys to access your account's unique identifiers that allow you to connect Stripe with your website, app, or software. Once you open the API Keys page, you'll see two main keys, a publishable key and a secret key. The publishable key is safe to use on the client side of your application, like in your website's front end, while the secret key is for your server and must be kept completely private. Never share it publicly. By default, you'll be in test mode, which means the keys you see can be used to simulate payments without processing real transactions. You can use these test keys to safely build and test your integration. To switch to live mode and get your real keys, toggle off the View Test Data switch at the top of the page. Stripe will then display your live publishable and secret keys, which will handle real payments from customers. If you want to reveal the secret key, click Reveal Live Key Token, and Stripe will show it temporarily. Copy it and store it securely in your server environment variables. Never paste it into your website code. You can also create restricted keys by clicking Create Restricted Key if you want to limit access to specific actions, like reading payments or creating customers. This is useful for added security, especially when working with team members or third-party apps. Once you have your keys, you can start integrating them into your app or platform by following Stripe's documentation or using pre-built plugins. That's it. Thank you for watching this video.